welcome to Cooking for Dogs. This week we're making Hostess Ding Dongs for your pup. They're a pup cake that looks like a ding dong cupcake and your dog is going to love them. Our ingredients, we have 4 fresh eggs, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a half a cup of softened butter and a half a cup of carob powder. It's a dark carob powder and that's taking the place of chocolate. This is a healthy alternative for your dog. We have a half a cup of cream cheese and a cup of whole wheat flour. We also have some pre-sprayed cupcake holders and a pan. We have a sifter, a large bowl, a few tools that we're going to use, and we have an electric beater. Now let's crack these eggs. We're going to beat these eggs for 7 minutes, which is going to make this mixture light and airy and fluffy. And also, 7 minutes will mean your eggs have doubled in size. That's what we're looking for. I'm going to pop this in the microwave and just soften the butter. Roland, do you want to try some? Want to try some? Yum. Use our microwave. Be such a good boy. Now we're going to sift these dry ingredients into the mixture. Here comes our carob powder. Our baking soda and our baking powder. By sifting the dry ingredients through into the batter mixture, you're going to get a nice, airy, light, fluffy cake mixture, which is what we're after. Now we're going to take our wooden spoon and we're going to fold this through in a figure-8 motion. Check the bottom of the bowl. Yes, that's all come together nicely. That's blended beautifully. Using the ice cream scoop gives you a nice uniform size to each of your cupcakes. We're going to call these pup cakes because they are for our pups. We are done. We're going to bake these in a moderate oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. The toothpicks should come out nice and clean when you've tested. They look fabulous. These have come out of the oven and we've cooled them right down and they're ready to be piped with cream cheese. So let's pop our cream cheese in the microwave for a few seconds just to soften it. And we're going to style these cupcakes a little bit different. So they're going to be your ding-dongs with a doggy twist. So now we're going to take these out of the cupcakes, slice off the tops and fill with cream. Can you smell them, Roland? Smell good? Yes, they do. Because they are good. So now we're going to take our cupcake and we're going to slice through just so the top of it is nice and flat. Roland is very interested, aren't you, Roland? Yes, one of these is for you soon. Now let's pipe on the cream cheese. Very interested in this, aren't you, Roland? You wait. You wait. So here we have our doggy style version of the ding dong. So Roland, look what we've made for you. It is your very own ding dong cupcake. It's our style, filled with yummy cream cheese. What do you think? What do you think? He loves it. Thanks for watching Cooking for Dogs today. We hope you liked our video. If you did, please subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook, give us a thumbs up, check out Instagram and also our cookingfordogs.com, which is a dog blog site. You can download fabulous recipes from there. In the meantime, bon appetit!